Hey, it's Faye.
This video is dedicated to all the people who hate me now because I no longer do skincare when that's what they signed up for. I indeed am still your blackhead girl, okay? I'll freely admit,
Hands in the air, waving like I don't care.
I haven't been the best at doing blackhead pore videos. I've taken a long break. I've been more so into like exfoliating, you know? Because TikTok is where we educate ourselves now, and that's what they told me to do. I might have Doritos in my teeth. I just had that for breakfast. Very healthy. There was this viral Instagram green tea mask. Everyone tagged me in it. Let me tell you, Linda, listen up, Linda.
All those ads are fake.
It does not take you to the direct link of that specific product. All these faker hakers basically using this viral green tea mask for their own commercial use. So if I were you, I'd sue. It happens to me as well. People take my blackhead videos and they clip it and they use it to promote whatever product they're trying to sell and make that coin. I mean, girl, get your bank, but don't lie. Anyway, I just got back from the gym and took a shower. As you can see, very presentable. We're just gonna do this old school. So here's my nose. I've been popping my nose a lot by myself in the shower. Now I'm forming this like pimple, clogged up
Pore?
rebel. So it's just there. I'm sure you guys can tell that it is time to do something. So this is the green tea product I found linked to all those like fake ads. It took months to get this in. You put me through fake ads, a sketchy link, and months of waiting. This is by Dr. Sugar. I'm pretty convinced Trisha Paytas made this. Deep cleansing, moisturizing, removing agony, removing blackheads. Okay, I don't believe in them removing acne. It's not gonna do that, Miss Thang. Whoa, it is green. Oh my god. Oh my, it's like exploding already. Can you wait? Okay, I'm just gonna take whatever that came out first, uninvited. Lather that on my nose. Expected this to be a little bit more opaque. Psych, this is a clear gel. It has a tint of green to just give a little bit of hope, but not enough. I'm gonna bring this out here. You guys can see my pores have been astronomical. Of course, the T-zone. I'm building another layer. And this is a rip-off. Since we're here, we're gonna put a little bit on our chin, kill time. And now we wait. Dr. Sugar, something about this does not feel promising at all.
I feel ripped off, I can lie to you. I don't feel like this is the truth.
I know I look like a dead zombie. I'm literally chilling and just waiting for this to dry. So this is a tad tacky. I'm gonna wait a little bit, but everything feels glossy smooth. Did it remove my acne?
No.
Shocking. It dries quite thin. It didn't even do anything. It imprinted my skin, that's all. I literally see nothing, so that was really fun. Now the big reveal. Let's see if any sebaceous filaments actually come out of my pores. This is totally not the green tea mask that you guys have been seeing. I know I said that already. This is fake. No. Hold on, hold on. I'm scared I'm gonna eat this. Ow, my ears. Oh, I mean, that's something. That was from the corner of my nose. Ew, ew. I don't want to like smash it. Look how long that piece is. Jeez. Dries out so flimsy and thin that when you're peeling it off, it feels like it's gonna dissipate in thin air. I'm actually kind of surprised that I pulled out a few long ones around this corner of my nose, but it didn't look like it was a hard one to pull out. Didn't need a whole force. The middle of my nose, my pores still look so clogged and just like, yikes. It got nothing. It just basically peeled off any dead skin on the surface of my nose. Didn't go into my pores. Didn't dig out any gold. I've tried a lot of peel off masks and this is not even close to being worth buying. Dr. Sugar, No thank you. It does contain green tea ingredients. It has a variety of nourishing skin ingredients. The cream is soft and delicate. Sticky though. It does not remove acne. Don't believe that.
That is bullshit.
It doesn't really clear out any of your pores, so
Bullshit.
surprisingly, it pulled out that long piece of sebaceous filament, so I guess that's a plus, but no, not worth it. Viral Instagram mask.
My butt.
The best we can say is that it's gentle on the nose, it's not too harsh, but if I'm paying for a peel-off mask to do its job, I want the damage. And I had to wait that long? That just shows you how dusty and crusty the outer surface of my nose has been. I don't see anything significant. Just looks like it peeled dead skin off of my nose. That is my conclusion on this blackhead mask. It is 2021. I'm sure there are more interesting and innovative ways to rid your blackheads, clean your pores, the dusticles in your nose. If you guys have any suggestions or want me to try something that you've had your eye on, then let me know. I would love to do that. Sorry if I wasted your time. I wasted my time. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, then like it, and until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.